Hey, fridge, what's for dinner?
Based on your recent consumption, might I suggest a salad?
A salad? Excuse me, I'm in the mood for pizza.
No. Your BMI suggests greens.
My BMI? You don't even have legs.
True, but I do have data. For example, those cookies you're holding contain.
Don't you dare.
Fine. But if you keep this up, I'll have to lock the ice cream compartment.
Oh, is that so? Well, guess what? I have this.
Wait, no. Let's negotiate. I'll order pizza for you.
Extra cheese.
Fine. Extra cheese.
And garlic bread.
You're impossible, humans. Always pulling the plug on progress.